2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, security system, heated front seats, trip computer, chrome wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.